Okay, let's talk about project initiation or how projects get started. So, where do information systems projects come from? Well, someone sees a need to fulfill some sort of business need. That is, someone in the organization who works for the organization. They want to build a system, perhaps to support a new marketing campaign, perhaps to more efficiently address certain operations. Now, note that the need, fulfilling a business need, that can come from good things, opportunities, or it can come from bad things, trying to avoid problems in the business. For example, good thing might be you see a new area of profitability, new services, automated services we could offer a customer that might produce some more revenue. A bad thing, perhaps you see some sort of shortfall in some of the business activities that can be fixed with an information system. So the need to fulfill a business need might have a positive motivation, positive impetus, or a negative impetus. Now, know that information systems in an organization are simply tools of that organization. An information system that is approved and is developed, it should be one that somehow moves the organization, aligns the organization to its strategy, and moves the organization into more efficiently and effectively accomplishing its goals and objectives. You don't select an information system development project out of a hat. It should somehow help the organization move towards its written objectives and strategy. Now, there are different ways that the need for an information system can emerge, of course. It can be just changes in technology, emergent technologies. So, or it could be an outgrowth of so-called business process management, which we'll talk about briefly in just a moment. Or it could be that the company sees some new, unique, competitive way to use an information system. That is, they seize upon achieving a competitive advantage by implementing some new information system. By the way, business process management, or BPM, is sometimes described as a methodology used by organizations to continuously improve end-to-end business processes. And that's exactly what it says on this slide. These may involve internal and cross-organizational processes. Some of the benefits to the organization might include enhanced processability, process alignment with industry best practices, or increased process efficiencies. So, do we have a project yet? Well, there has to be an individual who takes the role as the project sponsor. The project sponsor typically is someone who is rather high up in the organization and has some resources and or the clout to get some resources to actually support the information system, get the effort moving. The project sponsor would specify the overall business requirements, would make a case that the information system returns business value, and would formally request a project by developing and submitting a system request to the approval committee.